How are you?
I'm good.
Good to see you.
Good to see you as well.
I was just saying, have you hosted 4 times?
Yes, I
Is that
think
right?
so.
I think so. It's the Oscars. I can't remember how many times I've hosted.
You know,
What is it like, though? I mean, we're talking about Chris Rock hosting tonight. What's it like in the hour leading up to going out there in front of 40 million plus people?
I think for folks who know what they're doing, it's kind of like a racehorse ready to go and run. So it's by now you know what you're kind of going to do and how you're going to groove, and you're open for all things that could happen that you're not thinking about, but really it's about let's get this show on the road.
Do you plan for the things that you might not plan for? In other words, do you think of 5 things that could go wrong and then have a way to go?
No, you just wait till it happens and you roll with it.
Did Chris reach out to you to talk?
No, he did it. He's done this before,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
he
he's
knows
done
what he's doing. It's one of those things that when people have done it before, you know what you're
getting into.
The first 6 minutes are yours, and the rest of the night, people don't care. They want to know, did I win?
Right.
That's all they want to know.
I would get in, and then it's about me, right?
Yes.
It's about us in the audience.
And once you know that, it's all good.
So I know you have a thing about shoes. I mean, who doesn't know that? Did you have a lot to choose from tonight? Because I've seen your Instagram. How did you choose? And we can't even see them.
Comfort. No, you can't see.
We can't even see the shoes after all this. So much narration about your shoes, and now no shoes.
Wearing the people who built my dress, the Danes, will kill me because I'm not wearing the shoes that we said we should be wearing, but I'm wearing my favorite jewels.
Well, tell me about your dress and your jewels.
My dress was made by the Danes of New York. The husband and wife team built beautiful things, and they made this based on a dress that Betty Davis wore in All About Eve. So they made it for me the way they felt I should be wearing it. And my jewels, Savan Bachachi is the gentleman's name who created this. And
well, that is not subtle.
This is
that is not subtle.
No,
that
but
is
my
serious.
dress is subtle, and my shoes are subtle, and
that's cool.
This is how you know it's me. You know what I mean? It's because I could have worn a lot of diamonds.
Otherwise, we would not write. Who is that? Otherwise, who is that?
I said, why are you wearing all those diamonds? Who is that? Now you know.
Now we know.